What's going on YouTube? So just going to do a video today, out and about. Just going to go on a little walk. Not been feeling well, got man flu, so I've been coughing like you won't believe, coughing non-stop, but feeling a bit better today, so I thought let's get out and let's do a video. So follow me, follow along, and talk to you in a bit. It's raining now, but I've been able to take photos with the Oppo Find X8 Pro while I'm here in Bestwood. Just having a little walk, morning walk, get some fresh air. And yeah, the cameras are really good, but as I said in my first initial video, it's not just about the cameras on this phone. It's the speed of the phone, it's the customizability of the phone. Yeah, the software's been flawless with me. I've had no issues at all with how good this software system has been. Been really happy with it, really happy with it. And yeah, I think it needs a lot more talk. I know the new Fold is out and people are upset that they're not doing a OnePlus version of that. So that's brought a bit of attention back to Oppo. But yeah, I think for good reason. The Oppo make great phones. Great phones. But let's discuss it a bit more after my walk when we're inside and it's a bit warmer. So I've spoken about the camera and why I think the camera on this definitely puts it at one of the best camera phones of the year. I've spoken briefly about the software and why I think the software is incredible, just the customization, the speed of it, how fluid it is, everything like that. And the third thing that I really like about this phone is the screen. It's big, it's clear, it's Ultra HD. Oppo themselves say it can get to 1600 nits, so it can be super duper bright. Obviously, I've not had to test it in England. It's just grey, cold and rainy at the minute, and it has been that way for a few months now. So I've not had any issues with being able to see my phone outside. It's been fine. Just waiting for the summer or to go on holiday where it's nice and sunny and warm. Can't wait for those days. But yeah, I've had no issues with the screen. The resolution's super high. The refresh rate's 120 hertz, so it's super fast. Everything, you can stream, you can watch movies on it. It supports Dolby Vision, so it supports really good clarity when you're watching streaming services like Prime Video and Netflix. So yeah, screen is brilliant. Screen's brilliant, the software is brilliant, and the camera's brilliant. So 3 of the main things why you get a smartphone. I think it's smashed. It's also smashed its battery life because the battery life is mega on it as well. Just under 6,000 milliamp hours of battery, so there's no issues with the battery. Yeah, I think you're hard pressed to find a better phone. The chipset is the latest and greatest from MediaTek, so it does everything. It does everything well. The only thing, as I said in my previous video, that it lets itself down with is its speakers, and that's its loudspeakers. When it's obviously you got a loudspeaker and you listen to a telephone call, no issues. But if you play music, it leaves a lot to be desired. They're not that loud, they're not that bassy. There's not audio separation or anything like that. So it's a pretty Bobby Basic speaker. So yeah, that's not the greatest. But if you've got headphones, it's got all the latest and greatest things to support with those headphones. So the quality that you'll get from listening to your headphones is brilliant. But yeah, just the speaker does let it down. That's the biggest downside I've had with this phone, and that I've found with this phone is the speaker. But that's it. That is it. Everything else that I've had with this phone, no issues whatsoever. It's been top notch. So yeah, just a quick video of why I like the Oppo so much and why I think it's a phone that if you're not considering, you should consider. Put it in with all the other phones that you're looking at and then choose, but don't just choose your legacy brands like your Apples, your Samsungs, just because of those brand names. Reach out, spread your wings and look at other phones that are in the market and things like that, because there are some really good phones out there, and this is for sure one of the best phones of 2024.